I was on course to Shepparton, which is a beautiful city to the far north of Victoria. While over the Victorian high country, I think about 50 nautical miles from the destination airport, my iPad overheats and shuts down all of a sudden. The brain, jumps to my rescue the very next moment, and I switch to the paper maps, which is my backup. We call them visual navigation chart. What's that moment when technology gives up and the brain comes to the rescue saying, "G'day, mate."